convicted by final judgment or sentenced with imprisonment are not specially disqualified. Are not specially disqualified. (9165) Drug traffickers and applicability of probation. Not applicability. 9165 drug traffickers. Section 12 form approved by the Secretary of Justice, recommended by the Administrator, prescribed by Supreme. Form Section 12 form approved by the Secretary of Justice, recommended by Administrator, prescribed by Supreme. Section 13 notice to the prosecuting officers of the filing of the application. Concerned prosecuting officer filing the application and reasonable time. Section 14 comment on the application within 10 days. Section 14 comment 10 days from receipt. Section 15 referral to proper probation office. Legally qualified for the grant of probation. Referral to proper probation office. Application is in due, legally qualified for the grant. Application is in due, legally qualified for the grant. PSI post sentence investigation. Mousy, are you there, Mousy? Hi, I'm Crazy.